Warehouses are living entities faced with constant movement and increased speeds of operation that inevitably lead to recurring rack damage. If misdiagnosed or left unattended, this damage can lead to tragic consequences, such as collapses. According to OSHA, as a warehouse manager or health and safety professional, you are ultimately responsible for rack safety issues. For most people, rack safety can be a daunting and sometimes overwhelming problem to contend with. Thankfully, there's help. With over 30 years of experience, Damotech is North America's largest and most trusted rack safety partner. Our experts will help you figure it all out from A to Z. First and foremost, we have highly skilled engineers that can assess the state of your pallet racking and provide you with an in-depth inspection report. We could also evaluate your rack's load capacities, regardless of the original manufacturer. All this data can be accessed online via the Damotech platform so that you can manage and track progress. So what's the best way to tackle these issues? The damage you have simply won't go away on its own. Sure, you could keep doing the same thing you've likely been doing, which is getting caught in the never-ending cycle of replacing your damaged racks. But let's face it, racking isn't getting any cheaper, and the time it takes to get new parts isn't getting any shorter. Not to mention the disruption to operations caused by swapping out an upright with umpteen beam levels and wire mesh decks. That's why we can help you reduce maintenance costs with our industry-leading rack repair kits. They're ready in a few weeks, take under an hour to install, and they'll permanently fix your damaged racks while protecting them for life. Just as important, you need to be proactive. Damotech's protection products help you prevent damage. They're a cost-effective way to safeguard your people and your assets. Additionally, our experts can train your staff on how to assess and prioritize damage as part of your rack safety culture. So whether you're managing a single warehouse or hundreds across the US and Canada, starting from scratch or been at this for a while, Damotech can help you get your rack safety program on the right track, because that's what a good safety partner does. Learn more at damotech.com and stay safe.